Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a PayPal account in Kuwait. First, open your web browser and go to the official PayPal website. Look for the Sign Up button, typically in the top right, and click it. You'll then choose between a personal or business account. For most individuals, the personal account is the correct choice, allowing you to send and receive money easily. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth setup process. Next, you'll need to provide some personal details. Start by entering your mobile number and verifying it with the one-time password you receive. Then, input your full name, your email address, and create a strong password. A good password combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Finally, review and accept the user agreement and privacy policy to ensure you understand the terms of service before moving forward. Now it's time to link a bank card. You'll need a debit or credit card issued by a Kuwaiti bank. Carefully enter your card's 16-digit number, its expiry date, and the 3-digit CVV security code found on the back. PayPal will then guide you through a confirmation process, which often involves a small, temporary charge to your card. This charge is usually less than $1 and is fully refunded once your card is successfully verified. To finalize your account setup, check your email inbox for a verification link from PayPal. Click this link to confirm your email address, which fully activates your account. Your PayPal account is now ready. You can confidently send and receive money, shop online at millions of stores worldwide, and manage all your financial transactions from one secure platform. Enjoy the convenience and security that PayPal offers for your online payments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.